Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to become successful in business, especially online, but that can apply to everything. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So if you really want to become successful in business, you have the options to change or remain the same. And that will be the topic for today's video. Because so many people understand this. Like they say, yeah, I get it, you have to change. Because if you remain the same, like nothing will happen. And that's true, but hardly anybody focuses on that or does anything about it. You really have to stick to something, like make a decision to change and like don't go all over the place. I've been guilty of this. I went, doing so many different things, whether it was apps, Shopify dropshipping and a ton of other things, and I was jumping from one thing to the other, and that was just dabbling around. And you know what happens to dabblers? They don't go anywhere. So first you really have to focus on what you want to do and stick to it, because so many people go all over the place. So if you want to do YouTube like I do, for example, and affiliate marketing, you have to stick to it. Don't quit because you're not getting enough views or any subscribers or anything like that. Just focus on it and eventually you will be able to make it. If you want to do dropshipping, same thing applies, just stick to that. If you want to do blogging, same thing, you have to change and like apply it to your blog or whatever it is. You really have to focus and stay focused and stick to whatever you've chosen, because otherwise you will not get anywhere. And the other thing is, you actually have to get started. So many people just try to get the knowledge to do so many different things. I've got a ton of videos on this channel where people could just start off and do something about it. Like there's step-by-step videos, there's all sorts of different things, and there will be another step-by-step video coming soon. But people just think that it's awesome and then they go to the next step, like watch the other video or something like that. But if you actually started to implement it and stay focused and stay disciplined, then that will like make you succeed no matter what, if you stay disciplined. But you first have to make a change. If you don't make a change to anything, if you don't make a change, like if you've been watching Netflix for like every single day as soon as you come home from work or school, or that you've been doing that if you don't have a job or something and you've been doing that all day, then that will not get you anywhere. But if you decide to change and actually get on with something and start something and do it every single day when you come home from school, when you come home from work, it's just like making a video every single day. I made a video about how to do that, and that just takes discipline. It's just like having a time where you're going to do that every single day, and you can't allow yourself not to do it. But in the first place, you have to actually change to be able to do that, because so many people just come home and they have their routine of just like sitting on the couch or something like that, and that just does not get them anywhere. And in 10 years you'll still be in the same place, next year you'll still be in the same place. But if you just get started, maybe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years you'll be in a totally different place. But you actually have to change to do that. So I really wanted to make this video because it's so important that people actually understand this, because it's so obvious, but at the same time so many people don't actually do it. So like think about it, like look at yourself and think honestly, are you actually making enough changes to where you're going to get somewhere? And maybe it's just filming your first YouTube video, maybe it's something else, but you actually have to do it. if you've been making a few YouTube videos but you don't have a sales funnel, maybe then you need to make a sales funnel. By the way, I have a link in the description if you want to do that, if you want to create a capture page. But maybe that's like, you really have to take the steps towards actually like reaching your goals, no matter if it's money or freedom or whatever it is, which are obviously very tied up, but you actually have to do that. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.